Welcome to the demo of Maventic's Financial Planning Suite. This solution is part of Maventic's diverse range of custom-built SAC-based planning solutions and is designed to deliver consistent end-to-end planning, budgeting, and reporting for your organization's financial strategies and operational KPIs based on industry best practices. Imagine cost center and profit center based revenue and expenditure planning, CapEx planning, profit and loss, balance sheet, and variance analysis reports all seamlessly combined and made available in a single solution. But that's not all. The suite features a management summary dashboard as well as critical KPI dashboards for CXOs. Developed on the SAP Analytics Cloud platform, our solution seamlessly pulls data from SAP S/4HANA, ECC, and various other SAP and non-SAP solutions. Additionally, all planning books easily integrate with Microsoft Excel, allowing users to streamline their planning processes within the familiar Excel interface. First off, the central landing page offers users a detailed solution brief and usage guidelines, along with navigation buttons leading them to the respective planning books. The solution caters to both top-down and bottom-up planning approaches. Revenue planning empowers users to plan for direct and indirect revenue streams with respect to profit centers. The planning workbook supports multiple local currencies, and planning becomes effortless with our custom-built data actions, enabling users to leverage actuals versus planned data of past periods and versions. The CapEx Planning book allows users to plan CapEx outlay on a granular level. Users can create, modify, or delete CapEx plans and access a comprehensive summary sheet for each CapEx plan. The Profit and Loss report provides a detailed breakdown of the company's profitability, encompassing revenue, costs, and expenses. Users can evaluate the performance of different business units, product lines, or cost centers, facilitating informed decision-making to enhance overall financial health. The balance sheet report offers a comprehensive approach to financial planning by enabling organizations to view actual versus plan and manage their assets, liabilities, and equity. The Variance Analysis Report allows users to compare various versions over time periods, identifying areas where actual performance deviates from planned or budgeted performance. Value driver trees unlock the potential of powerful what-if analysis, allowing users to explore multiple scenarios, anticipate outcomes, and model the impact of various factors on business performance. All dashboards are developed for mobile compatibility, ensuring access from desktops, mobiles, and tablets. The Management Summary Dashboard provides a concise overview of critical key performance indicators relevant to the organization's strategic objectives. The CFO dashboard presents higher management with a bird's-eye view of the organization's key operational and strategic KPIs to assess whether the business unit is on track to meet its objectives and make data-driven adjustments as needed. Elevate your organization's financial planning with Maventic's Financial Planning Suite, your key to unlocking growth, efficiency, and success. Reach out to us at experts@maventic.com to learn more and propel your financial planning to unprecedented heights.